right here. This was the cause of the grinding noise. See that? It's all like, there's like it's broken. Yeah, I was right. The pinion gear is totally messed up. See all the metal shavings right there? They're all from that thing. Yeah, so it's worn out the planetary gear system here as well. So see, it chipped all this. This will have to be replaced. And if you look at all those metal shavings, ugh. Yep, fun stuff. So I'll still have to take this knot out and hammer this thing out. The pinion gear pin should just drop and I should be able to take it out. So, man, lots of work.